are Sarah and Joni from Vantastic.
And we live in a van and enjoy nature like this.
We are already in northern part of Greece. Now we are going to circle around this Sitonia area. It's the middle finger and shimmering blue seas and golden beaches.
Yes.
Hop on.
Hop on. Everybody knows that we love Peloponnesos, but Sitonia comes second in our favorite list in Greece. One reason is these natural beaches all over this peninsula. Yeah, you can find really nice sand beaches without any hotels or houses around, so it's a good way to wild camp. There is caravans here on the beach. Usually they use the caravans in the summer weekends, but otherwise they are not habited, and they have been here for years. Yeah, but fun part of this Sitonia is really a wild camping. The southern tip of the peninsula, there ain't hotels, some houses and small towns, but otherwise really good place to wild camp. So that's why we love it. And when you come from Finland from the north, it's the first place you go, because you can get to the beaches after driving long way from home. We love it here. During the summer months and outside of winter, there is lots of more people here, more vans and motorhomes.
Cost of living in the beaches. The sand comes in all the time. Constant cleaning. But it's so worth it.
And there was some rain, so our van is a bit muddy. We have to clean it somewhere when we get back to Thessaloniki. Yeah, but now it's not gonna rain for the whole week. It's just pure sunshine and warmness.
Time to say goodbye to this lovely golden beach, and we will go drive this area and scout some another beaches, and this time it's kind of hectic road trip. These touristic areas are nice because they are usually much cleaner than those rugged places that we like to spend the night. And I think this is more like a day use parking spot, not the good place to spend the night, because there's a road going by and it's not good thing. But here's no cafes or restaurants that you would block. In Greece, in these touristic areas, you can get fines, and they are kind of hefty fines. Wild camping is illegal in Greece, and when you do it in the wrong places, you can get fines, even €300 fines. Usually in off-season, police is kind of nice and just tells you to pack your things and go sleep somewhere else. But this spot, for example, I wouldn't spend the night. Day use only.
Sitonia's full of these coves that have sand beaches, and they continue all around the whole peninsula. But we always try to find a place to camp, somewhere where no hotels or apartmentos, because we don't want to disturb anyone. There's a lot of Freistanden people that they go to harbors and in front of the hotels and camp there, and yeah, hotels they don't like it. And when you are in Greece, behind every corner there is old archaeological sites. This is old town of Toroni. So Toroni is there, the new one, and the old one was on this small peninsula. There is only ruins left, but they are renovating all of these. But you can see what kind of life was in Toroni back in the days. Like thousands of years ago. Usually in Finland we talk about hundreds of years, but here in Greece they talk about thousands.
Hello, Paradise Beach!
Sitonia's Paradise Beach continues. This is really named Paradise Beach, and the east side of Sitonia is full of this paradise beaches. It's really rocky, but still there's a base where it's sand.
Tiny little coves.
Lots of people in the summertime, when you go see the Google Maps pictures, every bay, cove, every rock, flat place is full of people.
So crowded, so it's nice to off-season travel here and be alone.
I'm gonna pop up the drone so you can see around. And one really good thing about this place, you can see the Athos mountains. It's a Athos peninsula where only men are allowed there, and there is a people who haven't actually seen any woman in their lives.
Entire lives.
There's a lot of monasteries, monk monasteries, and it's a really strict area. It's only, I think, only area in the whole world where it's so secluded. And
it's like God tier monastery.
Yes, there's a lot of monasteries. I think 20ish.
Isn't this stunning or what? Plenty of these secret little coves with the white sand, and the water is so turquoise.
One of the most beautiful parts of the northern Greece. This is one of the areas that we could actually live in, because there's a forest, there's beautiful beaches, and there's a water. For example, in Peloponnese, in many places there's no water available, so people are living in their houses with a tank water. We are not that people. We want to have water. And first place that we have seen actually other people. There's people talking English, so it's other tourists with us here. But I don't blame. This is a short way away from the Thessaloniki. You can drive here like in 1 hour and have this paradise for yourself.
And during summertime, here's even a bar. And this beach is spotless. We are really impressed. Like, no used toilet paper, so this is anywhere. This is truly a paradise beach. Look at that water. What? A little stopover to this another beach, and I think the spot is great during the off season because the apartments and hotels are closed, but not on season. Huge white beach and this turquoise crystal clear water once again. It's kind of windy here, but yeah. There's 95 different blue beaches in this Haldigidigi area, and that's a lot. So it means the water quality is excellent. They have some services like showers and lifeguards during summer months, and maybe toilets or beach bars. I'm not really sure about the specifics, but this is truly amazing. And it's so shallow, I think you can walk really far away.
Nicest hotel, and they did bring a new patch of sand. This really fine sand. Yeah, just for the best hotel in the beach.
another blue beach. This area is so full of these. And I think it's okay to be here even during the summer, because in the Google Maps satellite view picture shows you this beach is so full of people and also full of camper vans. Yeah, but now during off season, of course, there's nobody else but us. And in the distance, tiny little van there. Yeah, I like traveling in Greece because camper van owners never park next to you. They always try to find the secluded places, and I really much love that. Also, Germans do that here, which is kind of rare. Usually the German camper van owners park very close to you. Oh, kind of deep beach this time. The spot can be wavy and windy. Yeah. And also there's activities. So if you get bored, you can climb to the ruins and see the scenery from there. Amazing. I'm so happy to be here. And we always forget how lush and green this northern part of Greece is. Because Peloponnese, even it's our dear home, it's so rocky and rough around the edges, and beaches are more sand mixed with the pebbles. So it's not never these smooth beaches like here in the north. Yeah, this could be one option, but I think we are not going to stay overnight here either. We are just pinch beaching this day. Yeah, what a fun way to travel. Your home is wherever you park it. Luckily there's the two of us, so I can go and see if we can fit from the tunnel or bridge or not, because there's not measurements and we have a chimney sticking up from our roof, so teamwork. Hello turquoise water, long time no see. This is another beach that we came to look, and I think this is so perfect. We might stay overnight here even. Oh, so beautiful. No strong winds, sun is shining. I love the greenery area here. It's mesmerizing. Yeah, I know when you own a Mercedes-Benz you can go to the places, but I think this van is not going anywhere from here. This area of Greece reminds us very much of Turku archipelago. Thousands of little islands and rocky beaches. The water is not so clear in Turku, but here it is. Turquoise water. Oh yeah, and there's the mountains. We don't have mountains in Turku. Yeah, beautiful. kind of homey feeling to be here.
Beautiful and quiet place. Only that is making noise is this bees. Yeah, Sitonia is known for honey, so the honey booths are everywhere wherever you go. Every store has their local honey for sale. So if you are looking for honey, Sitonia is the best because here's a pines a lot, so it's tastes a little bit of pine. Local lady that lives there came to talk to us. Again, Finnish place is good because they are always excited that we are from Finland. We had driven from Finland to Greece to enjoy this place, and she was really excited to talk with us and not bothered at all. This area is also full of beautiful rock formations. These smooth rocks that makes like look it's in moon. Yeah, and this town and their houses. Yeah, really beautiful places. Greece is so beautiful. Wherever you look,